Hey, good morning, everyone. Once again, this is Coach Sam, and I would like to discuss to you for today's episode ang isa pong testimony ng atin pong client in which he was using the time cycle strategy. So, discuss ko po ito sa podcast na ito. Welcome to the podcast. My name is Coach Sam and I am the founder of Sam FX Trading Academy, and I've been in trading business for 13 years na. So, ang akin pong i-cover this morning is the testimony of one of our clients in which he experienced increase and as well as consistency using the time cycle strategy. I-meet natin, ito po yung account nito in just 3 days of trading. So kung nakita nyo, started with Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday po ito ng 1:13 in the afternoon. Ayan po, that's very clear. Ito po yung account niya. Ang balance niya po is 300 USD. Ayan. So, nailagay natin dito kasi dito kasi sa screenshot, blurred, di ba? Blurred, makikita nyo. So, dito naman is the $300 na kapital. So, same po ito. Ayan, same. So, that's Wednesday. So, bali, ang kanya pong tinitrade is gold. Again, started with $300. And then, after a day, so same day pa rin, Wednesday, ayan, nag-trade siya, buy kay gold. Yan po yung profit. So, bali from 300 up to 400 USD na. Okay, standard account po yan, yung kanyang gamit. Yan po yung kanyang output. Okay, now, ito nakita nyo 368, dito naman is naging 405 after closing of this trade. Okay, Thursday, ito po nangyari. Ang kanya pong account na maliit, it turns into 800 USD, and then tingnan po ninyo yung kanyang buy, profit niya is 2,616. That's Thursday, 6:02 in the morning, mga boss. Okay, ayan po, same person po yan Okay, same person. So kung nakita nyo, time cycle ng kanyang ginagamit. Okay, now, let's see here again. From ito po, from 300, look what happened to his account. Same po ito Same. Ayan. So what happened? As of the moment, profit is 2,265 USD. Sabi pa niya, no floating. Okay? So that's all about time cycle, mga boss. So, ayan po, nakikita po ninyo, from 300, from 300, started with Wednesday, sabi ko na, ang profit naging 2,265 USD. Okay? From 300 to 4,000, sabi pa niya, no floating, mga boss. So, sabi niya rito, sa time cycle, ang 4-hour, ito ang direction if it sells or buy yung trend. Then sa each one is our structure. Then look for M15 for the sit-up, when to entry and where to entry at M5, M1. Again, let us start with time cycle, then boom. So again, the strategy he uses is time cycle. Because time cycle, believe me, it will guide you to when is the right time of entry, yun. When will be the time of entry, the perfect time, when, in which many SMC participants will trade, when is the time of momentum, and when is the high probability when it comes to the market, and when is the market has a massive movement. Mga boss, kung may alam ka sa price end zone, support and resistance, supply and demand, order block, maybe inaral mo yung smart money concept, ICT strategy, liquidity, or maybe inaral mo din yung momentum, yung trend following breakout, volume analysis, and even you are knowledgeable with technical analysis, you are using indicators, price action, or maybe harmonic pattern. All of this, as I've said on our previous podcast, will tell you about where to enter. The problem of this one is when to trade. And itong when na to, ito po yung sinasabi natin that the time cycle will give you the exact time when to trade. So let me end with this one. Every strategy works perfectly, but only at the right time. You learn where to enter, you learn what to look for, but if you missed when the market moves, all of this, all the price action, the support and resistance, and whatever will be useless if you do not mind the when. So if you are interested to learn the time cycle strategy, you can send us a message via WhatsApp 0907-4786-569. Again, you can send us a message via WhatsApp 0907-4786-569. Just send us a message and let's have a conversation. This is Coach Sam once again. Follow for more.